What is up, guys? This is Diego with Techie Life, and today we have this bad boy. For those of you that don't know, this is the OnePlus 6T. As you can see, it says 6 on there. Let's see if we can see here. Yeah, OnePlus 6T. It is just picked it up at T-Mobile this morning. Look at that. It says unlock the speed. We will unlock the speed and we'll find out exactly what speed it means. So stick around and we're just gonna unbox it. Alright, so we were presented with this nice little smooth box here. You know, nothing too fancy, but it's nice and cool. We're gonna break that. Well, in the back here it says 4G LTE capable. Let me zoom in here. Qualcomm, come on, there it is. Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, optic AMOLED 6.41 display, 16 plus 20 megapixel dual camera. That's the rear one. 3700. It is a sealed battery, so you can't change it. With fast charging capabilities. UFSS. Not too sure what that is, but it does say it's a 128 gig storage with 8 gigabytes of RAM and oxygen base with Android OS on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Let's see what we're presented here. So right out of the box, we're presented with the phone already. The phone has some protective sleeve here. It says to maximize. Let's see here. To maximize, I don't think you can see it, but there it is. To maximize the performance of our in-display finger sensor, we recommend using screen protectors from OnePlus and our official partners. I know the zoom is kind of funky here for the focus. Let's go ahead and take it out here. This one is the Midnight Black. Let's see here. Is it the Midnight Black? I'm not too sure which one it is. But it is the one that has the gloss black. So it's like a mirror finish, and it looks really nice. Obviously, you might use a case with it, so it's gonna be pointless having the mirror glass. But it is nice and thin. This is pretty sleek. This is nice. I like it. We have here. Let's move on to this first. The accessories, because the accessories is always cool here. Let me put it on. So we got that little logo of that little fingerprint sensor. Pretty cool. Let's pop this out. And we have I'm guessing it's a fast charger. The brick is kind of pretty big here. This is a 100 to 120 input, 5060 at 0.6 amps. The output is 5 volts at 4 amps. So yes, this is a pretty good charger here, and hopefully we're gonna need it. And let's see what else came in the box. Ooh, I like this red cable. This is nice with the little, probably won't reuse this, but it's a little cable organizer here. USB type C. Oh, look at this. I mean, just the fact that they put covers on them, that's good. I like that. This red cable, I mean, this red is so awesome. I like it. And of course, what do we have here? Unfortunately, the TV, I mean, the phone doesn't come with a USB, a jack, but they gave us a dongle, and it's nice and thin, very small. It's got some serial numbers in there. So that's something that they're gonna do. They're doing quality control on that. Same thing with the charger. There is a lot of quality control in that essence. And let's pull this out here. Let's make sure there's nothing else here hidden. This is a solid box. In this we do have let's pop this open. We have some items in here we can check out. So as soon as I take this off, I have this. It says unlock the speed here. Cool. So it looks like we have a case. The case has also been quality controlled, checked. And it's not bad because this is a clear case that comes with it. Let's see how cool it looks here. Ooh, I like it. Just goes in there firmly. You can still see the logo. You can still see everything. It's not bad. I like this case. It fits really well. and I mean it's just pretty good overall. Let's see what they have on the inside here. The OnePlus logo. Let's see here, they got some more stuff in here. All right. What else is it? That's it for this. So we got the little, SIM ejector here. Cute. Then we have, T-Mobile. Cool, whatever. Start guide here, which nobody probably ever follows. Blah blah blah. We probably have the warranty here, terms and conditions. We have, I guess this is this is stickers. Let's read it out here. Let's see if we can zoom in here. It says, "Warning, I'm a flagship killer." Warning, I'm a flagship killer. So it's in both colors. Proud member of OnePlus community. My friends call me for tech support. Nice. Never settle. Please don't talk to me. My alert slider is set to silent. Ooh, that is pretty awesome. Let's see if this is true. Look at that. There is a toggle switch that will mute your phone. Now that is impressive. No, I'm just kidding. It's not that impressive, but it is pretty neat to have that. That's one of the things that I do miss when I did have my 3GS. Yes, that was the last time I had an iPhone. Actually, not really. I had one for work, but that's a nice feature to have that silent mode. Cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this up, power it up. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got a nice haptic feedback there. Nice little vibration here. Let me put that down here so we can zoom in a little bit. Of course, the T-Mobile. I can't really dog on T-Mobile because without T-Mobile, I wouldn't have had this here. It's good job, T-Mobile. I do like y'all. So look at this. I like this screen here. This little teardrop. That's not really a notch. It's pretty awesome because it saves a lot of your real estate up here. That's pretty cool. I like the little. It kind of has that like iPhone-ish theme going there. Got a little speaker grill in the back. Let me see if I can get a better light to it here. Let me remove this little, because we don't need this anymore. So yeah, it has that little kind of like iPhone grill to the back, which is nice. I like that. I don't necessarily dog on iPhones, but I just don't like the company. So we're gonna remove this little thing here because we don't need it anymore. So this will be my main phone, and hopefully I like it because I'm tired of all these new phones coming out that are kind of garbage. Let's get the focus here. There we go. That's perfect. Yeah, all these Samsungs coming out are not that great. They're fast and everything, but it's just always something wrong, something always missing. And so far, this company right here, this OnePlus 6 or OnePlus company, they got some, what do I say? They got some balls to step up to compete with these companies, because Samsung, is one of the main companies, and so is iPhone or Apple, and LG. This one just kind of came out from nowhere and started, surprising a lot of people. A lot of techies, they like that. They, tech savvy people who know about phones and stuff like that. They know what the OnePlus is. They know what the OnePlus brand is, and this is, I'm just happy that I have it here in the U.S. And the day that it came out, I just barely went to the store today, picked it up. This is pretty cool. I'll be showing later on some benchmarks of the performance and all that stuff. But I just wanted to give y'all a breakdown of this whole box opening and how exciting it was for me. So hopefully, this hopefully pursues you to purchase this device because this is and this is going to be one of the devices that's one of the underdogs. It's going to hopefully take Apple down. Well, guys, until the next one, like I said, I'll post some videos on the benchmarking. Or I also got another video coming up, and it's from the Pixel 3 XL unboxing. So stick around. I just got that phone today too. So we will be doing some unboxing, and then later on we'll be doing some comparisons and whatnot. But until next time, guys, take care. Take your life out.